A criminal defense attorney will advocate for his or her client at all stages of a criminal prosecution, most importantly at a trial. But certainly, it is no surprise that most of this litigation actually occurs after a plea of guilty or after a finding of guilt, in short, at sentencing. Although a state or federal crime will list the maximum sentence, it is rare that the judge will actually execute that maximum sentence. The real executed sentence is more influenced by the Minnesota state or federal sentencing guidelines. In federal court, the federal judge is not a party to any plea agreement. The federal judge can do whatever the federal judge wants in terms of a sentence. The judge can depart from the sentencing guidelines either upward or downward. Oftentimes in state court, a defense attorney will argue for what is called a dispositional or durational departure. A dispositional departure occurs where the judge does not sentence the defendant to an executed prison sentence, but rather places the defendant on probation. A durational departure occurs when the judge sentences a defendant to a shorter prison sentence than recommended by the Minnesota Sentencing Guidelines Commission.